Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. Today we are reviewing one of the best AI powered web hosting application. That's right, we are talking about GoDaddy.com. It has been around for a while and it's one of the most powerful ones out there that you want to consider. So what is GoDaddy? GoDaddy is a widely recognized name in the web hosting domain and registration industry. It offers custom website builder, AI powered website builder, through which users can quickly create their own websites. It's known for its extensive range of services, user friendly platform. GoDaddy has a robust platform that helps users to quickly set up, manage, build any kind of website, be it a personal blog, be it a e-commerce website, or even for that matter an enterprise grade application. It has a lot of templates and designs, almost like you can say that split across 22 categories, offers hundreds of templates that are ready to use and users can just modify colors, fonts and get started. It's easy to use. The website builder itself is pretty straightforward, where you can drag and drop, auto save and stuff like that. It has inbuilt marketing tools for SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, etc. GoDaddy's online store also helps you set up your own e-commerce website in no time. To boost your website, GoDaddy provides SEO and performance tools as well. Talking about pricing, the basic plan, which is shared hosting, starts at $2.99 per month. Then there are different levels of depending on your requirement. You can also do custom WordPress hosting, dedicated servers, VPS hosting, and much more. What are some of the pros? It's affordable, it's pretty cheap to get started, so anybody can quickly set up their own website, blog, or any kind of portfolio website or anything easily. It's pretty simple, clear, easy editor. Even non-technical people or business folks can also use it to set up their own website. It offers comprehensive tools for marketing, e-commerce, design. Best part is you also get multiple support channels 24/7 through chat, phone or email. What are some of the cons? It has limited customization. The layouts are pretty fixed. Again, you can't really change a lot of things in it, but however you can add elements, but customization can be limited. The interface can be look overloaded with so many features for beginners. That's something that I felt. There are additional costs like extra cost for certain add-ons and premium features. So let's go ahead and check out the website. It's godaddy.com. That's the website you would go when you want to buy a new domain or set up your own hosting plan. So you can get a .com domain. It's a promotion going on for just for first year. From next year onwards, it would be $21.99. Go to domains and you can search for domains, transfer and do all that stuff. You can set up your own websites using website builder, templates, online store. You can get hosting, which is for WordPress, web hosting or VPS hosting. Talking about the pricing, it may look a little complicated, but what you're looking for is basic website hosting. So go here and you can see that you can get a web hosting for $5.99 per month or managed hosting for $7.99. Again, these are the different options and different plans that are available for different types of hostings. So make sure you go ahead, check what is best suited for your product or application. Alright, so overall, it's a good product and platform that you should consider checking it out. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy exploring apps.